If you're considering buying Sellfy, there are 7 important things you need to know before you make the decision. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal some key insights and comparisons to competitors that might just change the way you view Sellfy. Let's dive in. The first thing to know is how incredibly simple Sellfy is to use. Compared to other platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, which can feel like a steep learning curve for beginners, Sellfy is refreshingly easy. You can create an online store in just minutes, without needing any technical skills. Whether you're selling digital products, physical items, or subscriptions, the setup is smooth, which is why so many small businesses and creators turn to Sellfy. The second thing to consider is pricing. Sellfy offers a straightforward pricing model with no hidden fees. You can start with a free plan, but if you want access to more advanced features like unlimited products and email marketing tools, you'll need to upgrade. When comparing this to Shopify, which charges a monthly fee plus transaction fees, Sellfy's pricing can seem like a breath of fresh air. However, if you need features like advanced analytics, Shopify might still be the better option depending on your goals. Next thing to know is that Sellfy allows full customization, but with some limitations. You can adjust your store's design to match your branding, but if you're looking for complete flexibility, like with a WordPress or Shopify store, Sellfy may feel a bit restrictive. That said, it strikes a solid balance, giving you enough customization to make your store unique without overwhelming you with options that can bog you down. The fourth thing is Sellfy's built-in marketing tools. They provide email marketing, discount codes, and even integration with Facebook ads. These features are super useful, especially if you're starting from scratch and don't have an external marketing platform. While Shopify and BigCommerce have more robust third-party integrations, Sellfy covers the basics, making it easier for small business owners to manage everything in one place. Now, let's talk about Sellfy's payment processing. The platform supports various payment methods, including PayPal and credit cards, which is essential for making sales easier for customers around the world. However, unlike some competitors, Sellfy doesn't charge transaction fees on top of what payment processors take, which can be a huge win for creators looking to maximize their earnings. So, while it might not offer the extensive payment options that Shopify does, it's more than sufficient for most users. The sixth thing you need to know is how Sellfy handles shipping if you're selling physical products. Unlike other platforms like WooCommerce, which often require separate plugins or additional setups for shipping, Sellfy makes it easy to configure shipping options directly within the platform. You can set up flat rates, free shipping, or variable shipping depending on the destination, making it a simple solution for entrepreneurs who want to keep everything streamlined. The seventh and final thing to know is Sellfy's customer support. Sellfy offers email support, which works well for most users, but if you're used to the 24/7 live chat support of platforms like Shopify, this might feel a little basic. That being said, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable, and they offer plenty of guides and tutorials to help you get the most out of the platform. If you're looking for a simple, affordable solution to start your online store, Sellfy might be the perfect fit. It's not as complex or feature-rich as some of the big players like Shopify, but for many users, that's exactly what makes it so appealing. The key to success with Sellfy is understanding its strengths and knowing how to leverage its easy-to-use interface, powerful marketing tools, and simple pricing structure. If you're still on the fence, you can try out Sellfy completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This will get you access to the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits to make your journey even smoother. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get started with Sellfy today and see if it's the right fit for your business.